All right, let's do the front bumper. It looks like it's loose already. We got the 8 mil right here, and then this is like a 10 mil right on the middle. So this bumper was taken out already, so it's pretty easy now. There's no bolts right here, it was gone. They took it out already. So this is the only one right here, is a 10 mil.
Yeah, this light here.
Yeah.
It maybe that way. Okay, come here now. Come, and here there is wire here also.
Seems like this side is fine, no damage right there. This is from a tow hook. Damage right there. Somehow this headlight here, it's not working, so we'll figure that out here. We're just gonna quickly take it out. Alright, so next we're gonna take out the other headlights here. Alright, so there's 2 more bolts at the back here he's working on. That's the bolt right there, and then there's one more right there. Alright guys, so both headlights are out, the bumper is out.